Alright, so yeah, welcome to episode 3. Yesterday, we've talked a lot then, no? Like, we really started na the building of the funnel. I hope okay pa sa inyo guys, like, this late, no? I know it's 10:30 na and iba baka patulog na. Yeah, but you choose to still be here, no? But before we proceed, maybe we need to have a recap muna, no? Maybe, are you okay, Sir June? Like, what are your takeaways yesterday sa episode 2 natin?
Yes, Coach. Good evening po
Mm,
sa
yeah.
lahat. About sa automation. Yes, about sa trigger and actions, kung paano mag-set up ng automation.
Okay, that's great. Can you call someone pa, Sir June? Yung
Sige
best
po.
friend mo?
Si Sir Alistair June. June din.
Ayun,
Abot na nandyan ba si
mga
Sir?
June, no?
Oh,
Ah,
wow. Good evening,
yeah,
Nandyan si
everyone.
Sister.
yeah.
Same question?
Yeah, same question there.
Well, it was an amazing coaching session last night, no? Kasi
Mm-hmm.
we learned a lot. Especially, ito kasi, I'm also an IT student, with, the same with Rand Mac.
Mm-hmm.
And what I know was the hard way to do things. Yung
Mm-hmm.
mga coding. And this one, it's such just very simple na kanang you just have to click and click. You just have to learn how to do things by maybe if you're creative, you can do it from scratch, and if you're not, then there's already help available with the templates that you can use. Very amazing, and it simplifies things and it helps you to manage your expectations a lot. And you
Mm-hmm.
know, the expectations, maraming magagawa. My God. No? Maraming helpful tips and yeah, yun yun. Maraming magagawa. My God.
Yeah.
Nice go high level and thank you, Renmac. Should I call another one?
Yeah. If you want, like, the last one you're going to call is ano na, the final person.
I think let's hear from Coach May.
Ayun. Ayos
I
na.
was sir, I was not able to attend yesterday. Hindi
Ay,
po.
sorry. Ang laki kasi ng smile ni Coach May. Siya yung nakita ko.
Mm.
Okay, sino pa ba? Ah, Paul.
Nag-OT pa si Paul.
Ay, ano ba yan? Ikaw na lang mamili.
Ayan. Another one, ter. Last one.
Isaac.
Isaac. Go ahead, Isaac, Sir Isaac.
Hello po.
Hello.
Good
Ayun.
evening po.
Good evening.
Bali, late na rin po ako nakapag-join last time. Pero
Mhm.
yun nga po, inaano ko po, inaaral ko po, no, para maintindihan ko. Paano pa po ba sa yung question?
Ang mga takeaways mo lang, like yesterday night, sa episode 2 natin. Yeah.
Ah, opo, to be honest po talaga, hindi ko maintindihan. Minsan,
Ayan.
parang naisip ko nga kung tama pa ba to. Hindi ko maintindihan, pero gusto ko pa rin eh. Kaya nandito pa rin ako.
Ayan.
Gusto
Oo.
ko pa rin po. Gusto ko pa rin pong makinig, Sir Rand. Thank you po.
Mm. So yeah, that's okay, Isaac, no? So actually, the one we're doing right now is intensive siya kasi we'll be having a webinar this coming Tuesday. So, ang ginagawa natin is like, you're witnessing lang how I'm doing things para somehow you know, ganun pala siya ginagawa. Hindi pala siya that complicated. Oo. Pero we'll be having ano naman, like, yung parang from scratch talaga. Oo. So don't worry, Isaac. Just immerse yourself, no? Although don't be overwhelmed sa mga nangyayari sa paligid. Ayun. Okay. Ayun, sige. Let's start our ano. So this is something like intensive pa rin, no? Yung difficulty level nito is like medium. So this is not like for beginners, but bear with me lang. I want you to witness how we're doing things, no? And as much as possible, try ko siyang explain na very simple for you. Okay? Alright, sige. Let me share my screen. So, eto siya. So, yung iba, pwede kayo mag-coffee, ha? I will be, ending at 11 something. Alright, so...
Echo naman.
Ay, yeah, sorry. How about this? May echo pa ba siya or okay na?
All good.
All good?
Thank you.
Nice. All right. So yesterday, we already created a form. We already created a basic funnel. And we did automation. So, ano na yun siya? Like level 1. Now, we're going to upgrade it no, to level 2. Okay? So, first thing, yung gagawin natin is punta tayo ng funnel ulit. So, I think you know how to navigate sa funnels. Okay? So, just go to sites and then funnel and then webinar funnels. And then under here, nag-create tayo ng folder na ito, business digitalization webinar. Okay? So magtitweak lang tayo na ng something, very subtle lang. While the copywriting department are still finalizing the copy, no? Actually si Maro nag-submit siya ng copy but i-proofread pa yun na Lisette and some other members. Okay? So as of the moment, ito siya. Ito yung na-create natin yesternight. May kulang pa dito eh. Yung kulang na lang is saan siya mag-redirect after ma-press yung form. For example, if someone submits a form, they should redirect to the thank you page, 'di ba? Kasi yesterday, after natin mag-fill up, may message lang siya na lumabas like, thank you for submitting the form. Something like that. Ang goal natin, eto siya. So, redirect action. So again, click ko lang yung element na form and then at the right side, nandun yung like lahat ng settings related to the element you click. In this case, click natin yung form. And sa form, sa button action, we have a drop down here na go to next step. Okay? So, ang gagawin nito, if someone submits a form, magpo-proceed siya sa next step, which is the thank you page. Gets lang? So meaning, every time may mag-submit ng form sa landing page natin, pupunta sila sa thank you page. So yun yung ginawa natin. So ito siya sa desktop and let's do also sa mobile. Okay? And tama si Alistair, no? So instead of like doing this like the hard way, like coding, like before guys, we remember no na when we sa computer science, no, we study HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and mga programming language like PHP. Doon pa lang ang daming nag-quit na talaga. Especially yung mga classmates namin na like a beginner din. Oo, very ano talaga, challenging. And some nga even gusto nang mag-quit. Though it's a scholarship program, no? But here comes this drag and drop. As long as you know the logic or the business flow or ano yung gagawin mo, you can still make it. Okay? So, ayun siya. But if you're starting here as a closer, it's very important then na you can learn this, 'di ba? Para you can know na ma'am, i-edit lang natin yung funnel para we can something like that. You'll be having a technical term. Oo. Okay, so we're done with the funnel and now let's proceed dun sa automation ulit. So again, we're done with the form. Nag-create na tayo ng form. Nag-create na tayo ng funnel. And sa automation, we need to tweak something. Yeah. So under automations, again, we created a folder. This is very important for us to be organized. No? So we named that folder Business Digitalization Webinar. And ito siya. So far, may 10 nag-enroll. Okay? And We can see it here. Can anyone give me the like what is automation or workflow again? Some idea lang. Like what is automation? Let's call someone. Let's call Dan. Dan, any insights about automations?
Yes po. Yung automation po is about making the process simpler and efficient po.
Correct. So sa automation, dun nangyayari yung mga logical phase. So just imagine automation, ito yung pinakamahirap na part. Okay? But some of the people is ano sila, mas confident sila sa automation compared sa design. Kasi yung iba, ang galing sa ano sa thinking or analysis but low yung ano nila designing skills. So meaning you're a good fit here sa automation. But others then preferred to be in the design or creatives na part compared sa automation kasi this is very complex. So at least you can start to identify yourself. Am I creative or I'm just good in like logical thinking skills. So ayun. So what we're doing right now is we're doing the logical part of the business. Okay? So when you discuss to clients as well, ganito na siya like sir, what we're going to happen is magfi-fill up sila ng form and then itatag natin lahat ng mga magfi-fill up ng form ng webinar attendees or webinar participants. Then after nun, sir, that's the time we can send them the confirmation email. O, diba? So it's like you're explaining the entire flow of the business. Oo. So that's very important as well. Why is it very necessary siya na you understand the business side? Okay? Para pagdating sa automation, sa workflow, if you're going to create, wala na, click-click ka na lang. Diba? If you're going to search sa mga job sites like ano ba yung mga job sites like Indeed, we have mynemo.com, JobStreet. If you're going to search GHL specialist or automation specialist, yung mga range ng sahod nila guys is like ranging 60,000 to 80,000. Minimum yan. Yeah. And ito lang yung ginagawa nila. Like they just need to know the exact platform. And now, ang good news is you know the exact platform. All you need to do is apply. Okay? Okay, let's proceed. Yesterday we have this map, 'di ba? May diagram tayo or flow chart na na-create. So, after the confirmation email, no, just to check as well to you guys, ano yung next step after the customers or the leads who are going to receive email, specifically the confirmation email. Ano yung next step after ng confirmation email? Can anyone guess? Yeah, what's next after the confirmation email? You can type in the chat or you can open your mic. What's next? What do you think is the next step? Okay. So, mga hindi nag-open ng kami na lang tatawagin natin, no? Yeah. Wise guess lang, Bro Maron, what do you think is the next step after the confirmation email?
Follow-up emails, bro, regarding the webinar or nurturing emails.
Yeah, that's perfect. So that's correct. The next step after ng confirmation is the follow-up email. Now, follow-up email, we need to have a script no, sa mga follow-up emails na yan. And we need to set the event date. Kasi as of the moment, hindi pa alam ng system kailan ba yung event, kailan yung webinar, 'di ba? We didn't tell the system kailan yung webinar, 'di ba? So, inside this workflow, may din siya, may action na set event start date. Okay, so all you need to do is click that action and okay na to siya, like set event or let's just change the event as webinar. set webinar start date. Okay? And then the type is eto siya. What do you think is the type, guys, from these three options? Custom field, specific date and time, or specific day? What do you think?
Date and time.
Correct. So that's date and time. Kasi our uh, event will start on March 4, 8 p.m. Correct? Ayan. So we're telling the system na will be live or this will be our event date. Okay? So just making sure 2025 February I mean March no 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 no. This should be March 4. March 4. Ito. So March 4, 8 p.m. Or what do you think, guys? 7 p.m. or 8 p.m.? Last time we had 7 p.m., I guess. Or 8 p.m. ata yan. What do you think, guys? Mm. Any suggestions?
Ako bro, I'm thinking 8 or 9 actually. Kasi para yung mga nakauwi na, yung mga halimbawa employees na nagbi-business side hustle,
Mm-hmm.
8. So go ko for 8.
Okay. Yeah, maybe you can try 8, no? And the good news is like we can play around naman the next webinar. If we feel na di sila maka-join sa 8, then baka that's their dinner time, no? So baka next webinar we'll be moving it to 9 p.m. So for as of the moment, let's set it to 8 p.m. Okay? And save. Okay, so from this point, alam na ni system na the event date or the webinar natin will be at 8 p.m. Okay? So next is the follow-up emails na. So what we're going to do is create ulit tayo ng action, click the plus button, ito. And then, search for wait. This one. Okay? So, pag press mo ng wait, ang maraming options din siya, okay? So, let just drop down itong ano. Wait for. So, there are three options, guys. So, what do you think is the exact option? Time delay, event appointment time, or overdue? Okay. Yeah. So, again, what do you think will be the ano, the action sa wait natin?
For the next email to bro, for the follow-up,
Yeah, this is for follow-up.
time delay.
Time delay. Time delay.
Wait after or before. Before or after event start time.
Okay.
Event appointment time, no?
So we have time delay, we have event appointment time. How about for overdue? Wala. So anyone, guys? The answer is event appointment time. Okay? Time delay works with ano, like for example, we can use this one uh during the nurtured emails. But since we already set a date, so the system is intelligent enough to know a certain event will going to happen. Okay? So this can sound technical to others, but uh, upon you review the recording soon, I hope na this will be very simple na lang. Okay? So let's wait before we have four fields. We have months, days, hours, and minutes. Okay. So let's just say Tuesday. When are we going to to send emails? Is it gonna be a day before? What do you think, guys? Or is it like logical if we're going to say 2 days before or 3 days before we're going to inform them na? Okay, so usually what I'm doing is like I'm having a day before talaga. Okay? One day before the webinar event, we're going to send them email. But for example, yung event natin will be next month pa. So we can have a week before, 3 days before, 2 days before, and 1 day. Okay? But since next Tuesday na siya, like first Tuesday of the month ng March, so okay na siya 1 day before. Okay? So you don't need to touch or select anything else here. Okay? So yung set mo lang, under wait na action is uh, event date and time, and before, and this one. Ilang days, okay? Okay. So let's name this one wait 1 day before the webinar. 'Di ba? Even if hindi mo siya clinic, alam mo na ano yung ginagawa niya ng action na to. Like, wait 1 day before the webinar. And then what's next? After ng waiting action na to, what do you think will be the next action?
Another follow-up meeting. Ayan, email reminder.
Yeah, okay, correct. So that's send email. Okay? Again, there's a lot of actions we can use, pero one of the option is we can send them email. Ito siya. So send email, and then action name, send 1 day before email follow-up or email reminder. Yeah, something like that. And the from name and the from email, if you remember, sinet na natin to siya under sa settings. So we don't need to modify this one here. Okay? Now subject, this is depende to siya sa copywriters natin ano yung magiging subject. Okay? So let's just say 1 day left, 24 hours to go before our webinar. Something like that lang. Okay? And templates, we'll be using templates soon once ready na yung mga copies natin or the content. Okay, so the message here, we can say hi, and then contact first name. So for example, hi Isaac, dynamic yan siya, 24 hours na lang, and it's our webinar digitalization. 24 hours na lang, and we'll start the webinar. See you inside the premium funnels team. So this one is an email ha, kasi our action is send email. Okay? So ito yung parang ifo-format na natin para sa lahat ng mga taong mag-register, and if the system already detects na 1 day before the webinar event, which is we set earlier, this will going to trigger or this will going to fire. Okay, magsisend na siya ng email. Then save mo lang yun siya, and then that's it. Save. Okay, so that's how you do 1 day before the webinar. So next is usually we do mga like 12 hours na lang, and then maybe 3 hours, 1 hour, and the exact time of the webinar. So let's just say, actually pwede natin to siya i-copy. Copy action, and then copy here. So meron na tayong same action. So that is just a shortcut. So let's rename this one to wait. Let's just say 1 hour na lang, 1 hour before the webinar. Okay? So of course, you need to change this, 'di ba? So make it 0 and 1 hour. So ganun na siya ka-simple, guys. And again, copy and then paste. Okay? So change, send 1 hour before before the webinar. Email reminder, and from name ito. So we're going to say 1 hour na lang. 1 hour to go before our webinar. So, hi. Ito siya. Change mo lang yung email content. 1 hour na lang. And we'll start the webinar. And we can add here the Zoom link. Okay? So we can embed here the Zoom link or the Zoom details. And then save. Okay? So that's how you do it. Like, there's nothing special here. The only thing that you need to understand is the triggers and action. And yung pag-read ng automation is from top to bottom. Okay? So from top siya, it will going to identify what triggers the automation and step by step niyang, so for example, this one is magkakaroon siya ng tag and it will going to send an email and then we're going to set the webinar event next Tuesday and then magwe-wait siya ng 1 day before the webinar and then magsisend siya and then magwe-wait naman siya ng 1 hour na lang before the webinar and then magsisend siya ng email. Until, so copy ulit, until this before, you can make it exact time. So meaning, you're going to wait until the exact time of the appointment. Okay, so again, there's nothing to do here. All you need to do is like save action. Okay, and you can like copy this and paste. Oops. Pero you can create like you can click the plus and then search mo yung send email. Yeah, same thing pa rin yung process but we're just doing like pinabilis lang natin yung process like copy and paste lang. Okay? So click mo to siya ulit. Send. So instead of like 1 hour, exact time of the webinar. Email reminder. Then from name, you don't need to do that. For example, we are now live. Ayan. So, hi, contact first name. So again, the system already recognizes their first name. Okay? Automatic na yan siya. Ito. We're now live at the business digitalization webinar. And we can send here the Zoom link. So meaning, yeah, we can paste here the Zoom link, okay? So meaning, if the system detects na alas 8 na ng Martes sa March 2, I mean March 2 ba? March 4. Yeah, sa March 4, magsisend na siya and they're going to receive the email. Okay? And all they need to do is click na lang on that Zoom link and they can like join the webinar na. And that's how you do it. Diba? There's nothing special here. So, any questions, guys?
Bro, yung mga late sign-ups, di ba naka-automation siya ng ganyan? Halimbawa, nag-sign up ako ng 1 hour before na lang. Ibig sabihin ba nun yung email na lang na marireceive ko is yung 1 hour before na lang?
For example, nag-sign in ka 1 hour na lang.
Yes.
Okay. And for example, that's 8 p.m. and 7 p.m. ka nag-fill up. Am I going to receive the 24 hours na email? Correct ba?
Yes,
Yun ba yung
bro.
question mo, bro?
Oo.
Okay. So, ganito siya.
Kasi nangyari sa mga emails natin before sa akin, delayed yung emails.
So what will happen based from this automation, if a customer filled up their name and email, magta-tag siya and then magsasend siya ng confirmation email. And then from here, isa-set nyo yung date ng Zoom ng webinar natin. And this is like very smart na to siya, bro, na wait condition. Oo. So if it detects na less than, it will going to skip this step and mag-proceed na siya with the next one. Yeah, we can try it later as well. So ganun siya. Alright, so for the nurtured sequence naman, instead of like, what do you call this? Instead of like exact time, we can now use the after. Diba? So wait. Ito siya. So instead of exact time, we can use this after. So wait after the event appointment time, appointment date and time. Okay, so we can send them like 2 days after the event, magsasend tayo ng invitation for them to join the community, something like that. Oh, we can use that. Or the good practice is we're going to separate it sa ibang workflow. Create tayo ng panibagong workflow dedicated lang for the nurtured email sequence or newsletters. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay. So now, let me just
Post question lang.
Gag.
Let's say for example, coach, pwede ba ma-filter ng system 'yon? For example, may mga nag-register pero hindi naman nag-join sa webinar. Pagkatapos may mga nag-register na nag-join sa webinar, makikita ba ng system 'yon? Tapos iba na yung follow-up doon sa nag-join sa kasi hindi.
Oh, grabe yung question, ha? Oh, yeah, that actually, ano siya, before, yun yung problem, no? But ngayon, we can resolve that, pero we'll be using another tool. Okay? So currently, we're having GHL, diba? Next with GHL is Zoom. So, meaning, we're going to identify if nag-join sila or not. So yun yung ano, like problem that we're trying to solve. Like did the did the participants join the Zoom? Ayan, nabaliktad. So ito yung ano, like the problem. So for this, JHL is not intelligent enough to know na nag-join yung participant sa Zoom or nag-cancel pwede. But for this, nag-show up siya or not, naka-Zoom yung data. Gets lang? So meaning si Zoom yung nag-handle if nag-join ba talaga siya sa Zoom. Something like that. So meaning, we need to do something or there should be a way na Zoom, we're going to tell na, hey GHL, si Alistair nag-attend to sa Zoom. Or hey GHL, si Alistair didn't attend the Zoom. So, dun papasok si API. Ayan. So, ito siya. So, si API, this is like make.com or Zapier. No, panibagong tool na naman to siya, panibagong platform. Ang role niya sa technology is to connect or to bridge all of the applications. So, ganun siya. But we can do it through the implementation of this. May bayad nga lang. So, ayan siya. So, that's how it works. Okay. Any questions, guys? Before we proceed to SMS na integration. Okay. Alright, sige. Okay. Next level natin to make it level 3 is the SMS na. Yeah, we still have time. SMS is very important, especially here in the Philippines. Whether you believe it or not, mas na-appreciate natin if someone texted us, correct? So now, what we can do is like we can make.com. Ito siya, si make.com, this is like, ang company to siya na ang role niya is magko-connect sa mga applications. Alright? So let's just log in. Ayun na, naglalag na. Wait. So ang kulang na lang sa natin sa webinar funnel or the copy na lang, meaning the content ng email. I'm not sure if kaya pang mag-create ng lead magnet. What do you think, Bro Maron? Kaya pa ba? Lead magnet?
Kailan na expected mo bro na pagpa-publish ng panel?
March 4.
Hindi, yung panel. Yung webinar yun, di ba, yung March 4?
Webinar.
Kailan natin i-launch yung panel? Tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. No. Baka ano pa bro. Baka Friday pa.
Friday.
Mhm.
The
Kasi
earlier sana yan bro, the better eh. Pero, ano bang gusto mong lead magnet kung sakali?
yeah, I think ano lang siya bro. We can do the lead magnet na lang siguro sa April. Kasi we're
Okay,
just
sige.
talking to business owners lang. Like
Yes.
information lang siya. We're not talking to agency owners.
Sige bro.
Kasi we're having upcoming na ano naman, like client. Hopefully, by the way, sa update ng client, tonight, yeah, they're doing a lot of things kaya sobrang naging busy din. So yeah, tonight hopefully ma-drop yung payment. Yeah, para we can start with that na. But we need to launch pa rin the webinar funnel. Okay? So at least you're having an idea na. So let's do ito siya. So ito siya is a text message. Yeah, let me try if I can open Miro para to visualize it sa inyo. Okay, let me just create a new board na lang. Para hindi siya lag, okay? So ganito yung flow niya. Let me just grab sticky notes. So currently we're using GHL, diba? So GHL is an all-in-one platform or also known as Go High Level. Now, si Go High Level is the software that we're using. And si Zoom, need natin si Zoom eh. And then we need SMS, diba? SMS or text. Ayan. And then we need, ano pa? Okay, I think ito lang. So ito sila, basically, tatlong company to sila na separate. Separate yung integration nila, separate yung programming, separate yung language. Okay? Now, papasok si dito, si API as mentioned kanina, like make.com. We have, Zapier. We have Linode. We have Publi din, Publi. Actually, ang daming company na ang role nila is to to connect applications para mag-communicate silang tatlo. And we have pa. I don't know if you heard about Sendit. Yeah, Sendit is a payment gateway. So separate din siya, separate technology. Now, si make.com again, for example kay Go High Level, if a customer nag-book siya ng appointment or nag-fill up siya ng form, ang goal natin is mag-redirect siya sa Make. So, i-inform niya yung platform na to. Wait, let's just make it. Ayan. So, you're going to say na okay, ito. We're going to
Mark,
say
you're
na
not sharing your screen, Mark.
ay, hindi ba? Ayan. Can you see it now?
Yep, thanks.
Okay. Yeah. So, again, Go High Level is our system. Sendit is the payment gateway. This is one way for us to collect payments online. Si SMS or text, this is actually we have HTTP SMS and semaphore. Yeah. So ito din siya is responsible for text message and Zoom is very common. Like we're using it right now. So ito siya is for video call, ito siya is for text, ito siya is for payment, and this one is for our system. But how how are going paano sila nagto-talk to each other. Okay, so that's why we're using make. So for example, if someone books a call sa Go High Level, ipapasa niya ngayon kay make.com. Actually, there's a lot of companies then na nagbi-build. Nagdi-differ lang to sila sa pricing. Okay? Pinaka-mura is si Linode. I think make.com din. Ganun. And then, ang gagawin ni make.com is kakausapin niya din si HTTP SMS para mag-send ng text. Okay? And kakausapin niya din si Sendit. For example, we need to have a payment gateway. Ayan. And kakausapin niya din si Zoom. Ayan. Gets lang? Oo. So this is how important API. I think you heard about API. No. Master si Alistair nito yung API. Ayan. Application Programming Interface. Oo. So siya yung responsible sa pagpapass ng data. Diba? Parang sobrang technical, no? Pero this is how you do it. So we have tools like ito, make.com. So siya yung mag-centralize sa lahat ng data. But I think there is a problem in their end. I can't log in. Yun lang. Yeah, you are not a member of any organization. Baka na-expired na. Ayun lang. Yeah, so for that, we can't have APT lang. Yeah. So we can't have a demo for text message. So for emails lang muna tayo. And we'll just enhance the funnel once okay na yung mga copywriting. Ayan. So guys, do you have any questions sa Yeah. So I'll be introducing to you na lang yung baka bukas yung SMS. I'm just going to fix why is it nilag out tayo. ayaw niya ipapasok yung account natin. All right. Do you have any questions sa process natin, guys? Is everyone following lang ba? Si Isaac ko parang na no? Gets lang sa Isaac? Okay. Question, guys. Alright, so since wala si Lisette, I think wala din si Ma'am Joy. Julius wala din. Oo. So, ayun na lang yung kulang natin, yung copy. And before we end, I just wanted to present you the ClickUp. Okay? So, si Alistair is the one handling this one. So, ito siya. Ay, di ako naka-share screen. So later, we're going to distribute our task, no? So sino yung gagawa ng automation, sino yung gagawa ng funnel, sino gagawa ng copywriting. And we already segregated yung per department. Based ito siya sa sa last meetings natin that we had. Okay. Base template. Close lang muna natin. All right. You don't have beyond marketing, business digitalization. Ay, wala na, Ter. You don't, naka-me mode pala siya, naka-me mode, yeah, sorry. And so, sa webinar natin, I already completed the generation of the Zoom link. So, may Zoom link na tayo. And copy review, yung outline topics ng webinar pala. Oo. Like, what are we going to, But I think I'll be the one crafting this one. And sa VSL, yeah, I think you know the VSL like yung video. So I'll be creating a video maybe tomorrow siguro para malagay natin siya sa appointment funnel. I mean, webinar funnel. Okay? Para ma-explain natin why they should join the webinar. Okay? So ito yung mga task like write homepage VSL, record homepage VSL, edit the VSL since ano siya, and my thank you page din. And we're going to build the funnel pages. So I think nandito si Paul. Wala na muna sigurong design, Paul, sa funnels kasi we're just going to build it directly na lang. Oo. Kasi this will be like next week na. And setup automation. Yeah. Dan, what do you think, Dan? Kaya na siya, Dan? Like, maka-follow ka na so far? And Princess? What's your thought on the automation process? Goods na? Okay. Alright, so si Princess okay na siya. Na-register ba? Ma-register ba if kulang ang information? When it comes to registration, if makaproceed ba siya kahit kulang yung information, if they don't fill up the email, they cannot proceed kasi required yun siya. So they should fill up the email at least and then the first name. We need the first name kasi baka sa emails blank siya. Oo. Okay. Now for the SEO, ako na bahala nito sa SEO. Okay. So we have one thing left sa sa workflow natin. This is the opportunities. Anyone heard about opportunities, guys? Opportunities and pipeline. So last topic na lang to siya before we end. I think this is like 10 minutes lang na discussion. Yeah, any thoughts sa opportunities and pipeline?
Yan yung stages, coach, na na kung saan na yung yung nag-register. Parang stages siya ganun. Sample ko na ba siya, nag-pay na ba siya, or for follow-up pa siya, parang ganun po.
Okay. So, pipeline siya or opportunities?
Opportunities po.
Yeah, correct. So, ito siya. So, meaning nito, guys, in one pipeline, there can be like a lot of opportunities. Okay? Hindi to siya yung opportunities na like the opportunities we'll be having. Ano siya, yung terms opportunities is like the leads. Leads siya. Pipelines, this is like group. Parang group of leads. Ayan. Okay? So let's have an example here. Ito siya, we have a lot of pipelines. My appointment pipelines, BN marketing pipeline. Business digitalization, we have a pipeline na. So we can like edit this. So sa pipeline na to, we have like participants. Gets lang, like in this webinar na pipeline, may participant tayo na stage. So we can add here the showed, we can like the no show sa webinar, and we can add here na like ano pa ba? What do you think the other na need natin i-track sa webinar? Okay, I think yun lang, no? If nag-show ba sila or nag-no show, maybe canceled. So people, sa mga taong nag-cancel, ayan, cancel. Okay, ayan lang. So if we go to opportunities and i-drop down natin siya, ito, search for business digitalization. So ito. So you can see here, participants showed, no show, and canceled. Ay, wrong spelling yung canceled, but later na yan. Okay. So let's go back sa automation. Kasi ang goal natin, if someone nag-register, dapat malist yung nila dun sa participants. Okay? Let's go back to business digitalization. But how are you going to do that? So mabilis lang siya. all you need to do is insert an action sa gitna. Okay? So that can be like after the confirmation. So for example, this one, send confirmation email. Ang best practice, guys, is after the tag. No? After the tag, search for create and update opportunity. Ito, create update opportunity. So, anong pipeline siya? So, nasa business digitalization webinar na pipeline. And then, anong stage mo siya ilalagay? So, you can add it sa, sa participants. Ayan. So, that's it. And then, save. And now, let's try to proceed. Let's try to check no, if this is working. Save lang natin. So, I'll be sending you the... Ang tawag nito? Okay. Ayan. I'll be sending you the link. Okay?
Bro,
Yeah.
bali kung sakali pa lang walang automation or I mean, walang API, pwede mo siyang imano-manong i-move sa pipeline yung mga nag-show up tsaka yung hindi. Tapos you can send separate emails to them.
Oo, we
Pwede
can do
ganun.
that, bro.
Okay.
So, business digitalization. Ito. So, I'll be sending this funnel link. Ito siya. And I want you to fill up, okay? But I think hindi pa na-fix yung email sending limit natin. But yeah, you can like try. Ayan. And make sure na ma-redirect kayo sa thank you page, ha? So, let me try this one then. So, first name, Rand. I'm an agency owner. Ayan. So after filling up, ayun, na-redirect na ako sa thank you page. But we'll be adding a video here, no? So ako na bahala na maglagay ng video dito. Alright, so let's check the opportunities and pipeline. Ayun. So yeah, you can try to fill up, guys. Nasa Zoom chat yung link. Okay. I'll send it sa...
Zoom link? Oh, yung
nasa,
link?
nasa Zoom chat yung link. And I'll send it sa din. GC. Ay, Tupo Lester lang pala to. Meeting group chat. Ayan. So, fill up kayo, guys. Make sure first na after filling up, you'll be redirected sa thank you page. And let's check if nag-work yung automation natin. I can see Dante, si Dan, nag-fill up na. Ayan. So, it's working. Check na yung email if it's working na. Email.
Sa email ko.
Updates. Again?
Sa email. Wala pa sa akin. Check ko din, coach.
Baka di pa na-fix yung ano natin. Yung sending limit. Let's check. Email service. Guys, I'm preparing your accounts pa ha. Baka kasi may maano kayo dito sa admin. So email analytics. Unsubscribe failed. Dami nang nag-failed. 82. Open, delivered. Okay. Yeah, so I think there is a problem pa din sa sending ng email. But the good news is we can now see the ano. So meaning guys, yung opportunities and pipeline, this is like somehow yung graphical like you can see the view, no? Like you can track all of those people na na mga participants. And for example, they show sa webinar, you can drag them here sa showed. And then an automation will going to listen. Like for example, if a lead or opportunity is na move siya sa showed na stage, they're going to receive an email. So for example, they're going to receive an email na, thank you for joining the webinar. We are really glad to meet you here, something like that. No, so we can create an automation for that. And for example, si Isaac is no-show, we can drag Isaac here sa no-show, and we can send them like follow-up email. I mean, mga promotions pa rin. And we can mention na, I know Isaac, you're very busy right now, but maybe next time we can like see each other sa webinar, something like that.
Pwede rin dyan bro yung replays.
Yeah, bro?
Pwede rin dyan yung replays. Kapag sa no-show.
Yeah. So, ganun siya. So this is like para you can see the movement of the people, no? And this is useful sa MLM sa real estate. For example, for MLM, you can drag all of those people na interested, mga din, like you can segregate it sa sa warm, hot, and cold leads. Oo, para the next time you are going to talk to them, this one, contact number, and all of the details. If ever nag-join ba siya sa webinar, ito, TPF member din pala siya. So the premium funnels member siya, nag-join siya ng webinar. So this is how important tags. No, para if you open the contact information, you can know, okay, bumili pala siya ng product, bumili pala siya ng ganito, ganito, ganito na. Okay? And nag-book na pala siya ng appointment before and this and this and that. Okay, so ganyan siya. And for payments then, nagbayad na siya before. So everything will be tracked. So this is how useful opportunities is. Okay? So I really don't know why opportunities. Baka opportunities because this is an opportunity for you to check all of the contact information of a certain lead. All right. Kami we have 6, 7, 8. 8 yung nag-submit. All right. So guys, do you have any question? Tomorrow I'll be implementing the SMS na lang, maybe quick run through na lang tomorrow sa SMS kasi I can't open or sign in ngayon. Okay? Do you have any questions, guys? Before we proceed sa like quick role play para you're going to ma-master nyo talaga siya. Okay na? So yeah, let's proceed sa na before we end. Okay. We still have few minutes pa naman. All right. So who'd like to volunteer sa role play natin for tonight? Anyone, guys? Sige, let me call a name. Maybe Bro Dante, since ikaw yung sikat sa ruleta. Can you call someone?
Thank you, Coach. Napaka-privilege. Buddy. Go, buddy.
Ayun, si Buddy.
Si Buddy.
Okay.
Okay tayo dyan.
Okay lang, Mike?
Sige, okay lang po.
Let's go.
Ano po yung role play? Sino yung
You'll be the closer pa rin. And I'll
closer. Okay, sige po.
Let's change the prospect. So who would you like to be the prospect, Mike?
Prospect?
Yung gusto mo i-close.
Kaya na po pumili, Coach.
Wala kang prefer na Yeah. Sige, let's choose Bro Dante. Ayan. 2 buddies in the house.
May hirapan akong i-close to
Oo.
Sige.
So, ganito yung magiging scenario, Bro Dante. You'll be acting like Yeah, you're a coach naman, no? You want to go digital and would like to have a webinar funnel. Ayun siya. So, sync in mo lang siya sa mind na yun.
Okay.
And yeah. For John Michael, bro, it's up to you how to close Dante to have a webinar funnel system. Oo. Okay? Are you ready, guys? All
Sige
right,
po.
sige, let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Bro, John Michael, initiate the call na.
Ayun, hello, Dante. Good evening. Kamusta ka naman ngayon?
Hello Sir Jan, Michael. Ito sir, okay naman. Medyo struggle lang sa business.
Oh, so saan part ka ba ng business mo na nahihirapan?
Sa ano, buddy? Sa ano Sir GM sa mga prospect nahihirapan akong sa oras kasi offline ko ginagawa yung MLM business ko. Medyo sa isang araw, 3-4 lang nakakausap ko eh. Gusto ko
Okay.
mag-expand. So, maparami yung kakausapin ko, sir.
Okay. Okay lang ba sa'yo na mag-ask ako ng ilang questions lang para ma-help kita doon sa current problem mo ngayon? Para ma-solve natin yung problem mo sa business mo. Okay lang ba sa'yo yun?
Sige sir, thank you.
So, do you have in mind ba kung ano yung magiging direction ng business mo? Maliban sa gusto mo siya maging online, ano yung gusto mong direction kumbaga? Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng madaming viewers na makikinig ng presentation mo? Like, parang ganyan ba?
Yes sir. Kasi talagang kain sa oras sir eh. Talagang pupunta ka alam mo naman sa Manila sir, medyo traffic. So, bus, uuwi na ng madaling araw. Tapos, sa isang prospect, abutin ka ng 3 hours, hindi pa agad-agad magde-decide. Which is normal, pero medyo nakapagod, sir, ng kakaunti. So, baka may alternative. So, na strategy. So, paano ba yan, sir?
Sige. So, yun, Sir Dante. Actually, may good news ako sa'yo. Yung problem mo is merong tayong solution dyan. And that is, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong webinar funnel. So, pag sinabi natin webinar funnel, meron ka na bang, another question na, meron ka na bang knowledge about technology or something bago to sa'yo kung in case man na gusto mong gawin tong ganitong strategy?
Sir, bago pa lang sa akin kasi ang hawak ko lagi flip chart, magdadala ng products. So talagang wala pa akong idea sa webinar funnel or digital. Paano ba yan, sir?
So, yun yung webinar funnel kasi natin na binabanggit ko is different siya. Kasi di ba, different siya doon sa website. Kumbaga, sa webinar funnel natin, ang mangyayari kasi dito, Sir Dante, is una, syempre, i-invite mo yung mga leads mo or yung mga prospect mo, no, na gusto mong presentahan ng business mo. No, kasi 'di ba yung ginagawa mo traditionally is something like yung nga sa yung kakain siya ng oras tapos minsan 'di ba one-on-one mo kinakausap yung mga prospect mo. Actually sa webinar funnel, pwede kang mag-gather ng group ng mga tao through online para i-present mo yung business mo. And on the other hand, ang good thing kasi dito, Sir Dante, sa webinar funnel, is pwede mo lang din siyang i-record. Actually, ang unang strategy na gagawin natin dyan is yung unang presentation mo is live natin siyang gagawin. And then yung mga susunod na mga presentation mo is recorded na siya actually. So talagang literally na yung mga na-invite mo, pag punta nila doon sa webinar funnel mo, mag-register sila, tapos yung mapapanood na lang nila doon sa yung recorded nung una mong presentation. So, ano siya, good thing siya na hindi, kumbaga, hindi na kakain ng oras mo yung pag-present. Bali, ang gagawin mo na lang, i-follow up mo na lang yung yung mga clients mo or prospects mo na nakapadood na doon sa presentation mo. Kasi I believe naman sa business usually, 'di ba, yung success din no nakadepende rin kung paano natin i-follow up, no. Ang good thing na kasi sa webinar funnel is makapag-present ka sa specific time and date doon sa group of people. Diba marami yung pwedeng makinig. And that is through online naman siya. So hindi mo na kailangan bumiyahe, no. Kumbaga, yung prospect mo, pwede niyo nang ma-access yun through their phone kasi meron siyang mobile data or meron siyang internet. So tingin mo, Sir Dante, makaka-help sa'yo yun?
Yes sir, makaka-help sa akin yun. Pero ano sir, ano yung assurance or percentage na mako-convert sila or at least magkakaroon sila ng interest? Kasi parang ang challenge ko dun sir, meron kaya sila makaka-connect kaya ako sa kanila kahit na recorded lang? Paano siya sir?
Actually, that's a good question, no? So kung ganun, actually possible naman talaga, depende 'yon sa pagdi-deliver mo, no? And yung connection naman, actually hindi lang siya natatapos doon sa initial mo na presentation sa kanila. Yung connection kasi na gagawin mo with your prospect is through follow-ups na talaga. So yung continuous na communication mo sa kanila, actually, that is, yun yung magbibuild ng connection mo with them. So, kumbaga, sa presentation mo pa lang is, na-present mo lang yung business, tapos, nakadepende na kung paano mo i-build yung connection mo sa mga prospects mo. Kumbaga, ang maganda lang dito is, masya-shorten natin or yung time mo, kumbaga, mas magagamit mo yung oras mo more on connecting with your prospect clients. Kasi doon sa webinar funnel mo, na-present mo na yung business eh. So, kumbaga, yung buong oras mo at lakas mo is ibubuhos mo na lang through building relationship dun sa mga prospect mo. So, yun. Yung tingin ko.
Sige, mukhang nagigets ko na, Sir JM.
So,
sige, mukhang question ako, sir. Paano ba natin umpisaan yan, sir?
Kuha na ba natin?
Oo, sir. Kuhain na natin, sir.
Ayun.
Sorry.
Let's give them a virtual clap, guys, with Dan Michael and Sir Dante. Grabe, lakas. So, how do you feel?
Minadali.
How do you feel, Mike?
Pa?
How do you feel sa closing? Or how do you feel with with your prospect?
Na-challenge ako dun sa mga question ni Sir Dante. Buti na lang nakaisip ako ng sagot. Pero actually, mga good question. Actually, yun talaga yung mga question na ini-expect talaga. Kasi objection din from them yan eh. So, iba pa rin kapag
yeah.
Prepared talaga kapag magko-close ka. Hindi ako prepared ngayon. Kaya
yeah, that's okay. Okay lang siya, Mike. At least hindi ka naghang, 'di ba? Walang yun yung pinaka-importante. Bro Dante, how do you feel with your closer? Do you feel you'll be availing a webinar funnel if ever?
Honest ba, honest?
Uy, honest, yeah.
Honest.
Nala na pressure ba di
Yeah, how do you think, bro?
Alam ko na may need ba akong i-correct pa doon sa way ng close ko. Kaya, importante din sa akin feedback from you din naman.
Sa buddy? Mukhang naman, convincing naman buddy yung in-offer na system. Nagkataon lang buddy na limited lang yung time natin ngayon. So, let's say for example, talagang kapag pag talagang yung deal na talaga, abutin tayo ng 30 minutes, mukhang mas marami ka pang may explain.
Mhm.
So, pero convincing siya buddy doon sa ino-offer mo. Tapos ano na lang, wala na kumpleto na buddy, yung conviction na lang buddy.
Conviction na lang po lang pa.
Oo.
Sige, Bali, thank you, thank
Thank
you.
you buddy. Thank you
Alright.
Coach Ram.
Sige, Coach
Yeah,
Ram.
thanks. So yung ano lang dun, Mike, yung kulang na lang is I think we need to have a visualization, no? Oo. And medyo ano ang tagal sa imagination phase ng prospect. Oo. So parang ang daming technical na mention as well. And knowing na as mentioned ni Dante na he's not into technical pa.
Ni-ask ko pa naman sa kanya yun para malaman ko kung paano in layman's term, pero technical na
Yeah.
pala yung nababanggit ko
Pero mahirap siya actually kasi that's impromptu. Let's use like additional 3 minutes, bro. Bro Dante, can we do the ano? Let's try lang. Yeah, so you'll be the ano bro. Ikaw yung prospect, ako yung closer. Okay lang. Sige.
Yes sir. Yes coach. Yes coach.
Yeah. Hello Sir Dante. How are you?
Goods, sir. So far, goods naman, pero medyo struggle, coach. Sir, sa business part, okay naman,
Okay.
nagpo-produce naman ng sales, pero napag-iiwanan ako ng iba eh. Feeling ko napag-iiwanan ako eh.
Okay, actually that's fine. Yung goal mo ba is to have a systematic and digital marketing solution, something like that? Correct?
Buddy, yes sir. Kasi napapansin ko, yung mga iba, may mga system na ginagawa. So, ang inis ko pa, paano ako makaka-adapt sa ganung bagay?
Okay. What industry are you in, sir, if you don't
Ah,
mind?
MLM sir, MLM.
Okay, MLM. Yeah. So, sino yung mga kilala mong MLM na nag-use ng digital marketing?
Like Pearl Hong.
Okay, Pearl Hong.
Oo, saka Gerard Claudio. Grabe yung pay-ins nila. May
Okay.
pay-ins sa mga daily, pero sa kanila, daan ang pay-ins nila daily. So gusto ko
Mm.
magkaroon ng ganun.
Yeah. And you're new to tech to ano no like digital marketing like sa technology. Like offline ka
Yes, sir.
lang almost.
Offline, tapos Facebook. Pero nakaka-convert naman ako sa video call sa Messenger.
Okay.
Pero parang ang hirap gusto ko malaman kung ano yung ginagawa nila eh.
Okay. So what if we'll be implementing the same system ni na Gerard Claudio and Pearl Hong, the same system. And all you need to do is like ride sa ano, like all you need to do is like use the system. Will it be okay? Would you believe
Yes,
using
sir.
would you believe the same like using the same system you're going to be in digital marketing na?
Yun yung gusto kong ma-adapt ng team. Especially ako, gusto kong maka-adapt doon.
Okay, that's perfect. So yeah, when would you like to start?
ASAP.
So yeah, we can do that way. Na ano.
Panis.
Naka-mute ata. Okay na.
Okay. Ayan. So we can do that way as well. Kasi tinitingala na yung mga tao na same na sa the same ano niya industry. And since we know that those people are using system, so pinapa-imagine natin ngayon kay Dante na what if that exact system is yung gagamitin mo? We will going to build you that the same system sa business mo. Would it be great? Something like that. Oo. If Dante says yes, that's 90% ano na closing. So it's a matter of like paying like what would you like to start like upfront fee like BDO Gcash or something like that. Kasi close deal na yun eh. It's a matter of like ano na like if kaya na ba ni Dante na mag-invest. Yep. So yeah, ganun siya. Yeah, so yun yung ginamit ko na style din sa ibang coaches. Oo. Kaya walang friction masyado. Kasi we can discuss the very technical details. Pero that's good, Mike. Kasi you already know the technical term. Oo. Pero I know Dante is very busy and ano, so we need to make a very short conversation as much as possible. Aya, so ganun siya. But that's ano lang ha. That's one option lang. Oo. Kasi ang iba gusto nila, give me more details. Baka ano yan, baka scam, something like that. O, 'di ba? So at least we are very clear sa kinakausap natin. Alright. Guys, do you have any questions pa? Sino na yung next? Who will be the next sa spotlight natin? Okay, so yeah, let's decide now. Alright, sige. Tomorrow we'll be having our monthly meeting, no? Sa team as internal. And then maybe some technical din. Irantro ko lang yung text tomorrow. Guys, do you have any questions before we proceed sa picture taking natin? I know it's too late na, no? Grabe. And I salute you guys kasi you still stay until the end, no? Even some of you here are still struggling, no? Hindi pa alam talaga yung digital marketing, but kudos to you guys, no? Kasi you still survive. Ayan. Wala na? Questions? Alright, sige, let's open our camera. Alright, so in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. Alright, so isa pa, 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright. Sige, see you tomorrow sa internal meeting natin. Bye guys. Have a great night. Good morning.